Ever wondered why so many traders are joining prop trading firms? It's not just hype. Prop firm accounts can give you more buying power, less risk, and professional grade trading opportunities. In this video, I'll break down the key benefits of a prop firm account and why it might be the fastest way to grow your trading skills and capital. One of the biggest perks of a prop firm account is trading with the firm's capital. Instead of risking your own money, you can control $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 depending on the firm. This leverage lets you take bigger positions and potentially earn bigger profits without putting your personal savings on the line. Prop firms have strict risk rules, which actually help you become a disciplined trader. They monitor daily drawdowns, position sizing, and stop loss usage, so you learn to manage risk like a professional. For new traders, this structure is invaluable because it prevents emotional trading and teaches long-term consistency. Many prop firms provide premium trading platforms, real-time data, and educational resources. You get access to tools that retail accounts might not offer, including advanced charts, order flow tools, and even AI-powered insights. This makes analyzing the market faster and more effective, leveling up your trading game. Prop firms typically operate on a profit-sharing model. You keep a portion of the profits you generate. Some firms offer up to 80% of profits, meaning you can grow your account while learning and trading responsibly. It's like having a safety net and a reward system combined. Less stress, more opportunity. Most prop firms offer access to trader communities or mentorship programs. You can learn from experienced traders, share setups, and get guidance on improving your strategy. Being around other disciplined traders accelerates your growth and keeps you accountable. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to scale, a prop firm account can give you capital, structure, tools, and mentorship to grow faster. Tell me in the comments, would you consider trading with a prop firm to level up? And if you want daily AI-powered trading tips and insights, sign up for our newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more actionable trading strategies.